Hi friends, it's Miss Alphabet here, and today we're going to do some math. Okay, our objective for today is I can put together and take apart. Okay, so that means that we can compose and we can decompose. Okay, and when I say compose and decompose, remember we're talking about our whole. If our whole is, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's decompose our whole, okay? So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When I say decompose, I mean we're gonna break apart our whole, okay? So our whole is 8, okay? And we can use a number bond to decompose our whole. And I'm gonna put a W for our whole, because we know our whole means our total. And our whole is usually the biggest number is usually our whole. Okay, so we said that we have 8. Let's count one more time to make sure that we have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so our whole is 8. And we can decompose our whole however we want. So let's say I'm gonna just section this like this. And when I say section, I'm making 2 groups because we have 2 parts, okay? And I'm gonna put a P right here and a P right here for our parts. In our first part, we know that we have 2 circles, and let's count how many we have in our second part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? Do you see how we decompose our whole to get our 2 parts? We can do that another way as well, okay? Say we wanted to divide this, and when I say divide, I just mean break our whole into parts, okay? Into 2 parts, okay? We have 2 parts. So we had 2 and 6, so let's make that a number sentence. Remember, we're still working with the same whole, but we can always change our parts because we know that there are so many different numbers that we can put together to get the same whole, which is 8, okay? So let's fix our circles. So we said that 2 plus 6 equals 8. Okay, friends, let's read that again. 2 plus 6 equals 8. What if I did this to our whole? Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a couple of seconds, 10 seconds. I'm gonna count 10 silent seconds in my brain. Okay, friends, in our first part, how many circles do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 circles in our first part. Okay, and let's count how many circles we have in our second part. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have 5 circles in our second part. So we still have the same whole, but we have different parts. Okay? So we're going to turn our number bond into a number sentence. We have 3 plus 5 equals 8. And friends, we could have started with 5. It doesn't matter which number we start with or which of our parts we start with, as long as we know that we're adding 3 and 5 to get 8. Okay? Okay, let's do one more example and then we're going to change our whole. Okay? Let's see another way we can divide our whole. Okay, let's see. Let's see if I can trick you guys. You know what? This year I have not been able to trick you guys. I'm not sure what is happening. But one day I can trick you guys, okay? Friends, so look. Do we still have the same whole? Yes, we know that our whole is still 8. But our parts are completely different. So let's count how many we have in our first part. Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Let's count how many we have in our second part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness. 4 and 4 gives us 8. Friends, let's count to make sure that is true, okay? We have 4 in our first box. Let's count, okay? And for this, we're going to count on, okay, from 4, okay? Ready? First, let's make sure we have 4 in our first part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ready? 4. And when I say 4, I mean that the whole box has 4 circles. That's why I'm saying 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, friends. So that checks out, and we know that 4 and 4 gives us 8, okay? Let's do something else, because we have just been, well, we did decompose our whole, but let's see if we can compose our parts to get our whole, okay? So let's see. And for this one, we are going to work with a different part. Actually, we're going to work with a different whole. My goodness, Miss Aquaboard is like, am I still asleep or something? It's too late for that, right, friends? Okay. So we started off with 8. Let's add one more so that we have 9, okay? And even though we know that we have 9, let's pretend that we don't even know that we have 9, okay? So let's section off our hole. Okay, and let's see how many we have in our first part. Let's count, friends. 1, 2, 3, okay? So remember, these are parts. Our 2 parts is always gonna give us our whole, okay? So we have 3. Let's see how many we have in our second part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 3 and 6. Let's see. 3 and 6 gives us what? Let's count all that we have, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Okay, so we have 3 and 6 equals 9. Friends, oh my goodness, we've done so many number bonds. Okay, so let's see if we can do something else, okay? Oh goodness, Miss Aquaboard is so hungry. Oh, what's something that I really like to eat? Well, I like to eat a lot of things, but one thing that I really love is carrots. I love to eat carrots, and I eat carrots every day, okay? So Miss Aquaboard has, friends, do blue carrots exist? I haven't seen any blue carrots at the grocery store yet, but maybe they do exist, okay? Because honestly, anything is possible, okay? So Miss Aquaboard has, let's count how many carrots Miss Aquaboard has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Miss Aquaboard has 5 carrots. She has to share her carrots with her son because Liam likes carrots too. But that's okay because share is caring, right? Okay, so Miss Aquaboard is going to share 2 carrots with Liam. Okay? She started off with how many friends? Miss Aquaboard started off with 5 carrots. How many carrots did she give away? She gave away 2 carrots. How do we know that she gave away 2 carrots? Because we have an extra 2 carrots, okay? How many carrots does Miss Aquaboard have left? Let's count, friends. 1, 2, 3. Miss Aquaboard has 3 carrots left. Oh my gosh. That's okay because 3 carrots is still enough for me to eat, okay? So let's make a number sentence out of that problem, okay? So we started with 5. Miss Aquaboard gave away 2 carrots to her son, and now she has 3, okay? We can show that in a picture. Let's just use little carrots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We take away 2, and we have 3 left. Friends, let's do one more problem. Miss Aquaboard has, actually, let's not use Miss Aquaboard because let's use somebody else. Uncle Preston, okay? Uncle Preston has 3 baseball caps. Okay, Uncle Preston has 3 baseball caps. Uncle Preston loves baseball caps. Actually, let's give Uncle Preston 4 baseball caps because Uncle Preston loves baseball caps so much that we're gonna give him an extra, okay? And Mom needed a baseball cap to go for a walk because it was such a sunny day and Mom wanted to protect herself from the sun. So Mom asked Uncle Preston for one of his baseball hats, okay? So this is the baseball hat that Uncle Preston gave Mom, okay? So remember, Uncle Preston started off with how many friends? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uncle Preston started off with 4. Uncle Preston gave away how many friends? He gave away 1, Friends, how many baseball hats does Uncle Preston still have? 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. 3, okay? 4 minus 1 gives us 3. Friends, you guys are working so hard. You guys are so excited. So let's do one more. This is a bonus problem. Let's see who can get it, okay? Miss Aquabor has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 grapes. I love grapes so much. Grapes are so good, okay? Oh, but Miss Aquabor has to share her grapes, and it is okay because sharing is not a bad thing, okay? So Miss Aquabor is gonna give, I'm gonna give 1 grape to, 1 is not enough, right? If I give away 1 grape, I'm gonna still have so many. So Miss Aquabor is gonna give away 5 of her grapes, okay? So remember, I started off with, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Miss Aquabor started off with 7 grapes, okay? And how many did she give away? And when I say that she gave away, does that mean that I am subtracting or does that mean that I'm adding? Is my number getting smaller or is it getting bigger? Look, first I had 7 and now I only have that many. So friends, that means that our number is getting smaller, okay? So I had 7, I took away, or I gave away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I gave away 5, friends. And friends, I only have 2 left, friends. So we have 7 minus 5 equals 2. Friends, it is so good to share. It is so good to work with you guys. I love to work with you guys. So I hope that this lesson wasn't too hard for you guys. You guys are so smart. So I think that you guys should be good. You should be rock stars. Make sure you are practicing your adding, subtracting, and counting. It is so important. Even while you're at home hanging out, mom and dad can help you practice all of the things that you learn in school, friends. I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.